Well, it can be the gift of confidence for those who experience excessive sweating. There is a procedure that can make all the difference. This morning we have Dr. Richard Jackson back with us from Changes Medical Spa. And Dr. Jackson, always nice to have you back on the show. Well, we have gotten to meet some folks who have had this procedure done. They've talked about what a difference it makes, and you even have so many studies too that talk about the ramifications of something like this.
I talked about those the last time I was on. One study talked about how the incidence of excessive sweating is higher than was previously thought. The other talked about the impact on the person's quality of life, even the increased risk of anxiety and depression for people with very heavy sweating. Today I wanted to talk about some of the different treatments that we offer, and the main one that you're mentioning is called MiraDry, and that's the only permanent non-surgical treatment for excessive underarm sweating. And we can use it for people who have normal sweating and odor, who just don't like to keep putting chemicals under their arms, or who have sensitive skin and get irritated from using deodorant. One treatment has a lifelong effect for those people. For people who have really severe underarm sweating or odor, a second treatment is usually required about 3 months later. But it kills the sweat glands. You don't have any more forming beyond what you were born with, and it has a lifelong effect. The treatment takes around an hour, done in our office. There's no general anesthetic. You can drive home after the procedure. You can go to work the next day.
Wow. And for the people that have had this procedure that we have been able to talk with, I mean, it's just amazing to see the difference that they have in their confidence and their overall, how they're feeling about themselves.
Right. We've been doing it for over 3 years. Everybody's happy with the results. Nobody else does it in the area.
And of course that works under the arm, but if you have other excessive sweating, your hands or your feet, you have other things that you can do too.
Sure, a couple of other things that I'd just like to mention. One is Botox, and people usually think of Botox as a cosmetic treatment for lines and wrinkles, but it also works to stop sweating, and it can be used in any body area. It's very safe, requires tiny little injections into the area. We know how to make those pretty comfortable. There's not a lot of sensation with the injections, and they're effective within a couple of days, and the duration of action, unfortunately, is not permanent. It lasts for around 6 to 8 months usually, sometimes a little shorter, a little longer. We do some testing first to figure out exactly where the most amount of sweating is, so we can concentrate on those areas, and it's really effective in the hands and feet or any other body area.
Wow. It's neat to see all the different tools you have to work with the individual.
Yep. Well, the biggest disadvantage to Botox is the cost of it, but sometimes that's covered by insurance, so that helps to make it more affordable.
Especially if it's more for a medical condition than the cosmetic that we're used to seeing it for.
When used for sweating, it can be covered.
And some of these procedures this time of year you offer some really good deals on.
Well, especially for the MiraDry, it is a great gift, especially for a student, because of such an effect that it has on the quality of life. And we have the best prices of the year during this month.
That's nice. And then also you're giving some giveaways this month. You're into the holiday spirit, right?
Right. People just need to go to our website, changesmedical.com, or our Facebook page.
Wonderful. And we also want to mention you have a holiday open house coming up, and you're going to have some deals as well on your Glow Mineral products.
Glow Mineral makeup on Thursday, and people can go look at the Facebook page. I can't even begin to say what else she's put on sale.
She does a good job. And describe to me the atmosphere of the office this time of year. It just seems like you guys are just you're just a lot of fun.
Well, it's an informal place, and we'd like to make friends with our patients. We like people to feel comfortable. People can come in and talk to us. Consultations are free. We're open from 10 until 6, and we want everybody to feel welcome.
A lot of opportunities to help people with things, whether it's cosmetic, like we talked about, or on the inside with confidence and the procedures that can help. Well, we'll give everybody your information again that you mentioned, the website, Facebook as well, to find out all about their holiday deals. And don't forget, they've also got a special coming up Thursday, 10 to 6. It's all happening at Changes Medical Spa right there in Boones Creek.